Hello everyone, how are you all? Fine? Good. Hope you all are fit and fine and ready to read next chapter. As I have told you earlier, today we will start chapter number 4 from the book Honeysuckle. So please, without wasting time, open the book Honeysuckle, chapter number 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, in this video we will cover half part of this chapter. Okay, and you will get detailed explanation of the lesson along with the meanings of difficult words. Also, the explanation is followed by a small introduction of the lesson. So please be ready with your pen, paper, pencil and your book to read something about the magic lady Kalpana Chawla. In this chapter, we are going to read about the birthplace, education, career, NASA, space mission, and death of Kalpana Chawla. Here you can see some pictures are here of Kalpana Chawla from her childhood to her last mission, Columbia spacecraft. This lesson throws light upon a tragic incident that had never happened before. It was when an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, the magic woman, was part of the international crew abroad in the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. And you can see in the picture, the last picture, 7 members are here. It was the last journey of Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so let's start reading the chapter. First of all, as you can see in the chapter, some points are given to you, 1 2 3. You have to give the answers and read it carefully. First point is here, a space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example between Earth and a space station. Very clear what is the meaning of space shuttle, it is clear to all. Second is given, use a dictionary to do the task below. Some task given to you, you have to complete it. Okay, I will help you, so please write it down. First point is here, find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. First of all, naturalized US citizen. USA, United States of America, citizen, okay, person. Naturalized. Naturalized means the process to make someone a citizen of a country they were not born. Okay, as you are Indian, you were born in India. Okay, and if you will go outside like you in USA and you want to get citizenship of that country, that complete process becomes naturalized. Okay, so the process to make someone a citizen of a country they were not born. Second word is space. Very clear to all. I think there is no need to explain the word space. Frontiers of space. Underlined word is frontiers. Meaning of space is clear. Frontiers means leading people. Then abroad, very common word is here. Okay, so what is the meaning of abroad? Foreign country, across the border. Then here is lift off. So just wait for the word lift off and take off. Okay, I will explain these phrases later. F, crew. Crew means a group of people who operate spacecraft. Technically, we can use the word crew for the group of people who operate any spacecraft, any other aircraft, etc. But here we are using most of the time the word spacecraft. So, crew means a group of people who operate spacecraft. Okay. Now, second point is here, notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? My dear students, there are two types of English words, American English and British English. I know there is an Indian English also, but please, technically we have two types of English, American and British. This chapter is written in American English. Mostly the American English words are used in this chapter, airplane and program. But if we talk about the British English, airplane means aeroplane, program means program, but the spelling change. Like airplane, aeroplane, AEROPLANE, but program, PROGRE. Okay, so slightly slight difference between two words, program, American and British English, but complete pronunciation and words are changed in airplane and aeroplane. One more thing, my dear students, I want to tell you that in this chapter many technical words are given to you. Okay, so it will be good for you if you will listen the audio and look at the videos. If you don't have book very carefully, then you come to know about the correct pronunciation and meaning of the given technical word. Okay, so please, I'm requesting you to read the chapter and listen this video very very carefully. So now lift off and take off. I took a break from these words. Now I want to explain these words. See a small difference between the word lift off and take off. As you can see in the picture, with the help of this picture you can differentiate. Are you able? Please have a look in the picture and try to understand the difference. Are you able? No? See, lift off means vertically upward, take off means horizontally upward. Okay, so there is a difference. Like when an aircraft or says lift off is a point of launching of an air or spacecraft vertically. Okay, whereas takeoff is the phase of flight where aerospace vehicle goes from the ground horizontally to fly in the air. Okay, so takeoff means horizontally upward. The airplane is going horizontally upward to fly in the air, but lift off means vertically upward. Got it? Good. Next, this chapter begins with the news report. Okay, so turn your page, open the page number 46. I think in your book it is 46, in my book it is 46. Okay, so page number 46, a news report is given, a box is given to you, and the heading is Tragedy in Space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flame. Okay, let's start reading the report. Look at your books or in this video and try to hear the words. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. Dear students, in the first line, unprecedented word is given. The meaning of this word is never done before. Okay, first the paragraph contains another phrase, broke apart. Broke apart means crashed. Okay, divide violently into pieces. Okay, after that another phrase is here, streaked over. Streaked over means flashed brightly, leaving a visible line. Okay, this paragraph last word, on board, phrase on board, meaning is on or in aircraft. Okay, so this paragraph tells us about like US Space Shuttle Columbia, which was carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others crashed over Texas while landing on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. Dear students, this report is very important because it contains all the information about the space shuttle. 7 members were there. Date of landing or date of crash is 1st February 2003. Okay, and the name of the space shuttle is Columbia. Got it? Okay, next one. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Simply traveling time and its speed is given to you, and the time is also given, and it tells that sharp at 9 a.m. the shuttle lost its contact with NASA. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and its traveling speed was 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost its contact with the shuttle. And okay, and you can see every important information is given in this small report. Last paragraph of this report: Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It is the origin place of the spacecraft. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7 members crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Okay, now what is the meaning of complete this paragraph? Columbia took its 28th flight. Which flight? 28th flight on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center. It was the starting date, 16 January 2003, Florida. It was the origin center. It stayed in orbit for 16 days. How many days were there? 16 days they stayed there. Crew members did 80 experiments. How many experiments had they done? 80. Before beginning its tragic journey towards the land. This shuttle had been claimed to be good for 100 flights more. Means according to their company, this flight can go for more 100 flights, but sorry, 28 space flight was the last one. Now the first passage is given. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Everybody knows that Karnal is the birthplace of Kalpana Chawla, and she graduated from Tagore Public School. So Kalpana's birthplace was Karnal. She said that she never dreamed to ever cross the leaders of space. Frontiers of space, I told you. So leaders of space even. It was enough for her that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after her graduation from Tagore School. As she passed out from the Tagore School, her parents allowed her to go outside and do engineering from engineering college, and she said it was enough for me to have this kind of study. Next paragraph. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in Aerospace Engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral. So dear students, just look at this page, last paragraph. It tells about the further studies of Kalpana Chawla. Now some technical words are here. First word is aeronautical. Aeronautical means study of flying aircrafts. Then next word is aerospace engineering. Aerospace means study of aviation and space flight. Then here is the word astronaut. Astronaut means who is trained to travel in the spacecraft. Astronaut means the person who is trained to travel in aircraft or spacecraft. Phrase is blast off. Blast off means launching of a rocket. I have told you the meaning of aeronautical, aerospace, astronaut, blast off. So what this paragraph contains: despite her father's opposition, actually her father was not in the favor of further education, so her father's opposition, Kalpana went for a master's degree to the United States of America after completing her bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering. Dear students, there is a sequence, there is a process of passing different educational degrees. First of all, 10th, then 12th, then 3 years course called graduation. After that we can do 2 years course that becomes masters, and after that we can apply for the PhD. So here she had done her graduation in aeronautical engineering, and she had gone to United States for further degree, master's degree, and after that she got PhD in aerospace engineering. She became the first woman, Indian American woman, to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. She said, see, what a beautiful picture of Kalpana Chawla. Wow. Okay. Below this picture, 4 5 lines are given to you. From the, it is related to the second paragraph from the last page. Launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Okay, so later she did her PhD in aerospace engineering. She was the first Indo-American woman astronaut to take off from a rocket launching site at Cape Canaveral, Florida. Okay, for a successful mission in space. Okay, her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Okay, you can see this picture when she was in the space shuttle. Okay, and she lift off from in Columbia, and everybody was cheering for her. Okay, third is here. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jane Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Okay, dear students, listen carefully. She was born in Kalan. Everybody knows about that. Naturalized US citizen. I told you what is the meaning of naturalized US citizen. Okay, then she married to a flight instructor. Okay, what is the occupation of her husband? Jane Perry Harrison. He was flight instructor. Okay, now what different tasks she can do in her life? She was able, and she got licensed for flying single and multi-engine land airplanes. Okay, single engine seaplanes and gliders. What is the meaning of gliders? Fixed wing aircraft. Different kind of aircraft as aircraft can be flown by Kalpana Chawla. She was licensed to fly different kind of aircrafts. Okay, and also a flight instructor. She was certified, means she got permission to instruct others for the flights. Okay, now after qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training and as an astronaut. So, see, a person who can fly different aircrafts, then he or she becomes pilot. Okay, so she qualified as a pilot, and what happened next? She was also a certified flight instructor. Okay, after qualifying as a pilot, okay, she qualified as a pilot, then she took another challenge. She accepted another challenge. And what was the challenge? She applied to NASA. NASA, NASA. Try to find the full form of NASA yourself. Space Shuttle Program. Okay, now you can see the program is written in American English. First, she joined NASA as a research scientist. She started her journey in NASA as a research scientist. Okay, afterwards in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. She was selected for training as an astronaut by NASA. Dear students, remember one thing, she had qualified as a pilot, then she went to NASA Space Shuttle program. Okay, she joined NASA as a research scientist, but in 1994 she was selected for training as an astronaut. Got it? Different part, different steps of her life. Okay, next, fourth paragraph, it would be the last for today. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Very motivational words are here. Okay. Someone asked from her about her feeling as she started her journey in Karnal and then USA, then pilot, and then NASA. How she felt, how she moved on in all these phases of her life. Then she replied, explained, like she replied that she never thought that she was a woman or she belonged to a small city or from another country. Okay, because in NASA it is US based, and every person who worked there was mostly from the USA. So she never thought about like she was a woman or she belonged to a small city, she was from a different country. Rather, she had her own dreams and she followed them like any other person at that place. And fortunately, people in her surroundings always motivated her to pursue her dreams, to follow her dreams, and carry on with the arenas of her choice. See, dear students, she told like I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else. Everybody has dreams in their life, so she also had dreams, but and I followed them. The main thing was like she had dream and she had followed her dream. And people who were around me, surrounded people of her surroundings, people from her surroundings, always motivated her for doing something different or just follow her dreams. It is very much important thing. If you are surrounded by negative people, then you can't achieve anything in your life. But if you are surrounded by the positive people, if they motivate you for every positive work and for your for chasing your dreams, then obviously one day the day comes when you are able to achieve your dreams. Same thing happened to Kalpana Chawla, as she was surrounded by the positive people. Every person was encouraging her, motivating her to pursue her dreams and carry on with uh, the arenas of her choice. So she just went there, got her dreams. Okay, so today we will end the chapter here only. Rest of the part we will do later in our next class. But remember one thing, what you have to do, you have to write down the difficult words with their correct meaning in your notebook and try to learn them with correct pronunciation. Okay, so see you in next video with second part. Till then, stay connected, stay positive, and stay healthy every time. Thank you so much.